now?
I'm going to live in a village.
A village, okay. When are you going?
I'm going to. You cannot go with me.
I can't go. Okay. Who's going to go?
Me.
Where is it and when are you going?
I'm going to go in this village. I'm a building.
How are you going to get there?
I can get there and I go on the alligator.
You're going to ride an alligator?
Yes.
It's going to take you all the way to the village?
Yes.
Okay.
I see Rick and Aaron.
You're going to see Reagan and Aaron there?
Yeah.
Is it Florida? Oh. Are you coming back? When?
We're on Saturday.
You're coming back Saturday?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Did you call a taxi?
Yes. I did.
How much money do you need?
I got.
You're taking all of my money? Okay. I love you.
I love you.
I love you too. Bye-bye.
Bye.